Hello guys, today we're going to do exercise 2.3. So let's do question number 1. So here it says here, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder. Here we're going to find the quotient and remainder. So px is given x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, and gx is given x squared minus 2. So let's divide px by gx. Let's see how much we get. X squared minus 2 divided by x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. So first thing, x squared into how much will give us x cubed? X squared into x will give us x cubed. Now we have done multiplied this into this. Now next is this. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. But see, 2x, x with power 1 is here. So you write those numbers which with the same power. I'm not writing here because this is x squared, is x. So here just above the 2x, that is x. That's why we're putting it here. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This will get cancelled, minus 3 will come down, 3x squared will come down. 5 plus 2x is plus 7x minus 3. Now x squared into how much will give us minus 3x squared? X squared into minus 3 will give us minus 3x squared. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 is 6. 6 should be written here, because this is variable and this is constant number, so we have to write constant together. Minus will become plus, this 2 will get cancelled, 7x will come down, 3 minus 3 plus 6 will give us plus 3. Now that's it. So here we are going to find the quotient and remainder. Quotient qx, this the quotient is how much? X minus 3, and the remainder rx, remainder is how much? 7x plus 3. That's how we find the quotient and remainder in this exercise. I'll do question number 3. Question number 3 is px, px is x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6, gx is 2 minus x squared. So while dividing, I told you have to write the variable with highest degree first. So here we have to rearrange it. We have to write minus 2x first plus 2. I told you every time we have to write the variable with the highest degree first. So let's rewrite like this. Divide x4 minus 5x plus 6. Minus x squared into how much will give us x over 5? Minus x squared into minus x squared. Minus into minus will become plus. X squared into x squared will give us x to the power 4. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 2x squared. Plus into minus. Now minus plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Here these two have different power. Here x is squared, 5x, there is no square, the power is 1. So we have to write this separately. First we are to write 2x squared plus 2x squared, and then minus 5x will come. First we have to write this one, second, and plus 6. Now minus x squared into how much will give us 2x squared? Minus 1. No, sorry. Minus x squared into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus, so 2 into x squared is 2x squared. Minus into plus into minus, minus 2 into 2 is 4, minus 4, minus 4. Minus, this will become plus. Now this will get cancelled. Minus 5x plus 10. So here quotient minus x squared minus 2, remainder minus 5x plus 10. That's how we do it. Okay, now we'll do question number 2. Question number 2, it says check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So number 1, here the first polynomial is given t squared minus 3. Second polynomial is 2 into t to the power 4 plus 3t cubed minus 2t squared minus 9t minus 12. So we have to divide and see. If the remainder we are getting 0, then the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. If the remainder is not 0, then the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So let's divide and find out whether it is a factor or not. 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cubed minus 2t squared minus 9t minus 12. T squared into how much will give us 2t to the power 4? T squared into 2t squared will give us 2t to the power 4 minus, plus is minus 3, minus 3 into 2t squared is t squared is here, so we have to write here minus 6t squared. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 60. So here minus plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This will get cancelled, plus 3 will come down, plus 3t cubed will come down, minus into plus is minus. 2 minus 6 is 4. Plus sign is greater, so here will be plus 4t squared minus 9t minus 12. Now t squared into how much will give us t cubed? 3t cubed. T squared into plus 3t will give us 3t cubed. So t squared into 3t will give us 3t cubed minus plus minus 3 into 3 is 9t minus 9t. See, minus 3 into 3 is minus 9t. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. These two will get cancelled. Then 40 will come down, 40 squared. Plus into minus is minus, 90 will get cancelled. Minus 12 will come down. Now, t squared how much will give us 40 squared? Plus 4. Give us 4t squared. Minus into plus is minus. 3 into 4 is 12. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Cancel, cancel, remainder is 0. Therefore, the first polynomial, see, since the remainder is 0, the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. That's how you do it. Now, I will do question number 3. Very important question. Obtain all the zeros of. Okay, here polynomial is given in question number 3, which is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cubed minus 2x squared minus 10x minus 5. Now when you look at this polynomial, the degree is 4. The highest degree that the variable has in this polynomial is 4. That means we will get 4 zeros, 4 values of zeros. So only 2 zeros are given. We have to find the other 2 zeros. So how do we do that? The 2 zeros are 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So in order to do this first, we have to pick it up. See, how do we get zeros? We get like this by writing x minus 5 by 3 into x plus 5 by 3 equals to, see, like this. So this one we are rewriting it like this because these two are the zeros, so we'll get like this. Then what do we get? X equals to plus 5 by 3, x equals to minus 5 by 3. So what we get here is a minus b, a plus b. This is a, this is b. What is the formula? A minus b plus b? It becomes a square minus b square. Square minus b square. So what we get here? A square minus 5 by 3. Square root would get cancelled. So this is a factor of the given polynomial, this one. Now we divide the given polynomial by this. Now we'll divide this. Now we'll divide this by this polynomial, because this is a factor of this, because listen, because these are the zeros. So if you are to divide these two, the remainder will get 0. First we have to find out the quotient. So first let's divide it, this and this, the px. X squared minus 5 by 3. Let's divide this. X squared minus 5 by 3 divided by, remember this is a factor of this, because this 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3, square root 5 by 3 minus square root 5 by 3 are the zeros of this. That means we pick it up one step and we got this a minus b, a plus b formula, a square minus b square. This one we got this one. So this is a factor of this. That means if we divide this with this, we will get remainder 0. 3x to the power 4, plus 6x cubed minus 2x squared minus 10x minus 5. Now x squared into how much will give us 3x4? So 3x squared. Here we get 3x to the power 4 minus c. Minus 5 by 3 into 3. 3 will get cancelled. We have minus 5 by x squared. So we get minus 5x squared. This into this will give us minus 5x squared. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Cancel. 6x cubed comes down. Plus into minus is minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3x squared minus 10x minus 5. Now x squared into how much is 6x cubed? X squared into 6x give us 6x cubed minus 5 by 3 into 6 is 3 and 6 will get cancelled 2, so 5 into 2 is 10x minus 10x. Minus 5 by 3 into 6x will give you minus 10x. You just see here. Minus 5 by 3 into 6x. 3 1s are 3, 3 2. 5 into 2 is minus 10x. Here. Here. Now plus will become minus, minus will become plus, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, 3x squared minus 5. Now x squared into how much is 3x squared? X squared into 3 give us 3x squared minus 5 by 3 into 3, 3 will get cancelled and minus 5. Minus plus, cancel remainder 0. So now see, this is the quotient. So that means, what does that mean? That means the px is equal to this into this, x squared minus 5 by 3 into 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. This into this will give us px, this one. This into this is equal to this one. That's what we are doing here. So now see the two zeros. Px has 4 zeros because it has degree 4. The 2 zeros we got it from this. The other 2 zeros we are going to find out, we will find out from here, because from here we get 2 zeros. That is square root 5 by 3 minus square root 5 by 3, which we got it from here. But the other 2 zeros we are going to find it from here. So what we have to do, we have to factorize this. So let's just find this one. 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. Now we are going to find the 0, so let's equate it to 0. By midterm factorization we get 3 into 3 is 9 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9. So 3x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 3 equals 0. 3x common, x plus 1. 3 common, x plus 1. So x plus 1, 3x plus 3. So the other zeros, x equals to minus 1, x equals to, here also we get minus 1. So the other two zeros of this polynomial px are minus 1 and minus 1. This is how we find out. Okay guys, so now let's do question number 4. In question number 4, it says here, on dividing by polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x and respectively find gx. Now see, in question number 4, px is given. Px is given, which is x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. Now, remainder is given. Rx, remainder is how much? X minus 2. Oh, sorry, this is the quotient. This is the quotient, and the remainder is given minus 2x plus 4. We have to find gx. That is the divisor, dividend divisor. We have to find the divisor. So there is a formula which is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So by applying this formula, we can find gx. So let's apply this formula. Let's first write this one. Gx into qx is how much? X minus 2. Rx is how much? The remainder is minus 2x plus 4 equals to px is x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. Now x minus 2 gx minus 2x plus 4. Why? Because plus and minus would still be minus. X cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. Let's all shift this other side. So gx will be equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus will become plus 2x plus 2 plus will become minus 4. We're shifting this from left hand side to right hand side, divided by x minus 2. So gx will be x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x, x plus 2x is 3x, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So let's divide this into this, then we'll get this one. X minus 2 divided by x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. Let's see how much we get here. X into x squared will give us x cubed minus 2 into x squared is minus 2x squared. Then minus plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This will get cancelled. Plus minus 3x squared plus 2x squared will give us minus x squared, because minus sign is greater. This is plus, plus value is 2, minus value is 3, so minus value is greater, so the answer will give us, will be negative. Plus 3x minus 2. X squared into how much is x into how much is x? X into minus x is minus x squared. Minus into minus plus 2x. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. This will get cancelled. 3x minus 2x is x minus 2. So x into how much? X into 1 is x, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Cancel plus, minus, minus, plus. So here, if we divide this and this, we get this. So this is gx. Therefore, gx equals to x squared minus x plus 1. See this one, gx is x squared minus x plus 1. Gx. This is the answer. This is the divisor. If you divide this by this, you will get quotient this much, and the remainder you'll get this much. So that's it for today's, guys. In the next class I will do question number 5, and then we'll go to the next chapter.